Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to fix the issue where Meta AI isn't showing on your WhatsApp. So let's go ahead and dive in right into the video. So step number one is make sure your WhatsApp is updated. First thing first, let's just make sure WhatsApp is up to date. Sometimes the AI features are rolled out in new updates, so you need to have the latest version. In order to do so, you may just go ahead and look out for Google Play Store if you are on an Android device, and you're gonna search for WhatsApp here. Just head over to the search bar, go ahead and type in WhatsApp on the search bar. After that, hit that search. And after hitting on search, you're just gonna go ahead and tap on it and look out for updates. If the update option is available, go ahead and just click on it and that should do it. Otherwise, the next thing is because maybe Meta AI is not available in your region. So here's how you can check if it is available in your region or not. So in order to do so, you may just directly head over to the WhatsApp Meta official website if it is available or not, or you may just go ahead and open up a browser. And here on the search bar, you're gonna type in Meta official website. And then look up if the Meta AI is available in your country or not. If it's not, you just might have to wait for the feature to roll out in your region. Step number 3 we can follow is restarting our device. For that, you may just long press on your power button and you will get a power off option. You just need to wait a few seconds and turn it off. And then turn it on. After that is done, just go ahead and open up a WhatsApp in your device and check again to see if the Meta AI appears in your feed in your WhatsApp or not. If this doesn't help, on step number 4, you may just go ahead and uninstall the WhatsApp application, and then you're gonna go ahead and open up Google Play Store and reinstall the WhatsApp application into your device and see if that works or not. Otherwise, step number 5 is you may just go ahead and open up WhatsApp. After opening up WhatsApp, on the top right corner, you can find 3 dots. Just go ahead and tap on it. After that, locate the option called Settings, which is on the 5th. And here, you're gonna look for the section related to AI or advanced feature if that option is available in your region. Since it is not available in mine, you will just go ahead and look out for AI or something like that on your settings. It can be easily visible on your settings. Just toggle it on. Step number 6 is you may just go ahead and clear the cache of the app. In order to do so, you may just long press on WhatsApp, tap on the info section here, and after that, you may just go ahead and look out for storage here. After going to the storage, you're gonna select clear cache here, and then close the settings and go ahead and open WhatsApp and see if the Meta AI appears. And there you have it. If you follow the steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. So if this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap on the bell for more tech tips. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.